actually told it to do. And there's a mention this, but our base case, of course, is going to be I just finished doing our Sharms day, hit the shower. Now I'm about to eat some food, bro. So I got some chicken, some pasta, and then I also got some tea here because it's a bit later and I already had my pre-workout this morning, so I don't want to take even more caffeine.
Structure input that your agent actually. Nobody's talking about.
JJK season 3 is over. There is no. Here's the one change.
I always hate doing recursion and trees, and even when I was in uni, I never really understood it that well. I think I just memorized some of the patterns and, you know, kind of just got by like that, and that kind of came back to bite me in a way, because now I'm doing LeetCode and I'm trying to wrap my head around it. But I find that I might look at the solution for the recursion question and then think I understand it, and literally the next day I'll forget it. Like, I'll go through visual examples, be like, okay, this is a stack trace, this is how it's done, da da da, and then the next day I'll forget about it. So it's like, am I really learning it properly? I don't think so. So I think I need to switch up my technique, or maybe continue with the easy recursion questions until I actually like nail it down before I decide to even move on to doing harder questions. So yeah, like I've just been, it's kind of hard to see here, but as you could see, I've just been like drawing it out, trying to go step by step. I did like the stack trace as well and the values, and that helped with some of the simpler values, but for the ones that are a bit more complicated, where you might need to return multiple values instead of just one, that's where I mess up. But yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and take a quick break. All right, this is what we got. Lunch / dinner-ish. I'm gonna eat again later, but wings, some fries, some sweet pickles. In case you guys didn't know, this is most of my day-to-day right now. Apply, LeetCode, watch some educational videos, eat, stay inside, gym, Beyonce. That's pretty much it.
He used to wipe with kitchen paper, as he said toilet paper doesn't scrub hard enough.
Alright, get some food. I'm just gonna watch a video and eat. I am tired. Also, my legs are kind of killing me. My back from the leg and back day. I mean, the leg day and from the SLDLs today. Let's go make some coffee and then let's go ahead and start applying back to jobs. Click this. Ooh, and there you go. Coffee grounds are in there. Grab a whole spoonful like this, just a little bit. Grind coffee. Dump that in here. And then I got some samosas in here.
To tell you guys what I'm doing. So here is the foundations that I mentioned. We're gonna cover getting started.
But to be honest, there isn't much job postings that were out today. Probably applied to only 10 so far. But I'm gonna continue looking. So what I do in the job search, I just search for software engineer, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, right? Past 24 hours, and then you can see the TPR 3600 here. That means it's actually posted within the last hour, okay? So usually I'll filter by the hour. Usually I'll start off with actually like 5 hours or within 24 hours, apply to those jobs, and then throughout the day I'll just leave it at an hour and kind of check in here and there. But yeah, you could use replace this right here, the R3600, put 3600, and boom, you get to see the jobs within the last hour, as you can see here.
I mentioned this, but our base case, of course, is going to be if the node we reach is null, right? So if not node. Now, what are we going to return then?
All right, so just got Claude Code. Oops, got the pro subscription. So I was on GitHub Copilot before, and I just canceled that. So now I'm on Claude Code. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and I'm just gonna build something out, man. I'm just gonna build something where you essentially pass a long form content, consumes it. You have the ability to give it a long form content, so let's say an hour-long clip, and it'll just cut out all the pauses in the clip and stitch them all back together and export it out for you. Or you should be able to give it the clip, and it would actually find key moments within the long form content and create short form content for you. So I'm just gonna use Claude Code and see how it goes. I'm just gonna give it a shot. So we'll see how it goes. Go, Claude Code, anti-gravity. It's trying this stuff out. I'm gonna give Claude Code the task and see how it does. And I don't know what's supposed to look right or what's supposed to look wrong in this case, but we're just gonna check it out and see what it does. All right, Claude Code has given us our plan. So I'm actually gonna look over this and take a look to see what it's doing. Because right now, this is just using Fast API, and we're just doing everything kind of locally with Gemini and MPEG, etc. But eventually, we'll actually need a UI for this, and it'll actually have to be done like properly. So then I'll make those edits. But for now, I just want to see how it does locally. Alright, that's the final product. Just some egg, and then I add some salt and pepper and just some cheese, and that's it. Alright, we are back from the cafe. Got myself some, it's basically like lentil soup, roti, and spinach, and some cheese. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and watch something. At the cafe, my ass was kind of hurting me. That's why I had to leave a bit earlier. I was there for like 3 hours maybe. But yeah, let's go ahead and smash this and just watch some anime in the meantime.
'97 NBA Most Valuable Player.
All alone was the most valuable player that year. So here was added motivation for Michael, right? He thought he should have been the MVP.
この情報と符合します。ご存知の通り、発生のメカニズムについては結果に外に出すわけにはいかない。他のコーナーに似たプレイヤーは全て排除してくれ。